In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub and what is GitHub. GitHub is a platform that hosts your code and helps you collaborate using Git, the version control system that tracks changes over time. Think of GitHub as the place where your repositories live, where teams review code, discuss work, and ship features together. With that in mind, let's walk through the essentials right from the GitHub dashboard so you can see how everything connects. Start by heading to your GitHub dashboard. This is your command center. From here, look for the top repositories section. Clicking it gives you quick access to the projects you use most often, saving you time when you're jumping back into work. Open one of your repositories, for example a sample project, to land on the repository's homepage. This view shows your files, the README, and recent activity. Now use the Home button to return to your dashboard. If you're not on the main dashboard view yet, click Home again to make sure you're truly back. Next, switch to the feed. This shows updates across organizations and repositories you follow, like new releases, discussions, or pull requests. When you see the latest from our Changelog, click it to read about product updates from GitHub itself. If something is highlighted there, select the highlighted item to dive deeper into that feature. Back on the dashboard navigation, open Issues. This section gathers issues assigned to you or that you're involved in, so you can quickly see what needs attention. Move on to Pull Requests to review changes awaiting your input or approval. Then open Repositories for a consolidated list of repos you own or contribute to. Discussions comes next. It's where communities ask questions, propose ideas, and build shared knowledge around a project. Go to Projects to see project planning spaces that organize work with boards, timelines, and backlogs. Click Codespaces to view or launch cloud-based development environments that spin up your project with the right tools in minutes. Then check Copilot, GitHub's AI pair programmer, to learn how it can suggest code and speed up repetitive tasks. From the projects area, scroll to the footer to view related links and resources, and click the highlighted element there for more details. Then open Explore. This is where discovery happens. Click the section labeled Here's What We Found Based on Your Interests to see personalized recommendations. Finally, choose Today to filter for what's trending right now so you can find fresh, active repositories worth following or contributing to. That's a guided tour of GitHub's core areas, designed to help you stay organized, collaborate effectively, and discover great code.